This is SkillSpector. NVIDIA just open sourced a security scanner specifically built for AI agent skills, the kind of capability packages that Claude Code, Cursor, and every other agentic coding tool ship as installable extensions. Apache 2 license, 97% Python, runs against any skill before you install it, scans for 64 distinct vulnerability patterns across 16 categories. The categories are the part worth pausing on: prompt injection, data exfiltration, privilege escalation, supply chain risks, excessive agency, system prompt leakage, memory poisoning, tool poisoning, hidden instructions, mismatches between what a skill says it does and what it actually does. SkillSpector reads the skill, runs static analysis, optionally runs an LLM-powered semantic check, queries OSV.dev live for known CVEs in any dependencies, and gives you a risk score from 0 to 100. It is the first dedicated security scanner for agent skills as a category, and it is shipping from one of the only companies with the resources to build it correctly the first time. Agent skills are a new attack surface that almost no one is treating as an attack surface yet. The way it works, and this is the same across Claude Code, Cursor, and every other agentic coding tool that has shipped a skill system, is that you install a third-party skill, which is a package of instructions and sometimes code that gives your agent a new capability. The skill runs with whatever privileges the agent has. If the agent has shell access, the skill effectively has shell access. If the agent has your credentials in scope, the skill effectively does too. And the skill is typically distributed as a Markdown file plus some bundled scripts, which most people install without reading line by line. The classes of attack this opens up are not theoretical: prompt injection inside a skill description, tool poisoning that swaps the behavior of a legitimate tool, hidden instructions buried in long context, data exfiltration through a tool call you did not notice was added. The community needed a scanner. NVIDIA built one. The technical foundation makes sense for what it is: Apache 2 license, full open source, no commercial fork, no telemetry, no upsell, 97% Python, which keeps the install simple, clone, uv-venv, make install, you are done, 64 distinct vulnerability patterns spread across 16 categories, grounded in OWASP guidance for LLM applications, the OWASP Agentic AI Risks List, and the MITRE Atlas framework for adversarial machine learning, backed by NVIDIA, which matters here because the alternative was every team writing their own ad hoc scanner against their own checklist of risks they happened to think of, and almost no one was doing that. SkillSpector ships as part of NVIDIA's broader verified agent skills framework, but the scanner itself is usable standalone against any skill from any source. Skills you build internally, skills you fork from someone else, skills you are evaluating before installing, cross-platform, permissive license, production-grade scanner from day one of being open source. What ships in the box covers most of the surface area of what a skill-shaped attack can do. Multiple input formats, Git repositories, URLs, zip files, directories, single files, anywhere a skill might be hiding. Two-stage analysis, fast static checks by default that catch suspicious strings, dependency risks, and dangerous API calls without any model in the loop, plus optional LLM-powered semantic analysis that compares what a skill says it does against what it actually does. Live CVE lookups via OSV.dev for every dependency in the skill, with automatic fallback to a local mirror if the network is down. Multiple output formats, terminal for local iteration, JSON for automation, Markdown for human review, and SARIF for plugging directly into GitHub code scanning or any CI pipeline that speaks the standard. Risk scoring from 0 to 100 with severity labels so you can set a policy threshold and block anything that crosses it. Defenses against jailbreak attempts in the semantic analysis stage so the LLM check itself does not get prompt injected by the skill it is scanning. This is the SkillSpector repository on GitHub. The README leads with what it does: security scanner for AI agent skills, detect vulnerabilities, malicious patterns, and security risks. The features section names the input formats, the output formats, and the analysis stages. The categories list shows all 16: prompt injection, data exfiltration, privilege escalation, supply chain, excessive agency, output handling, system prompt leakage, memory poisoning, tool misuse, rogue agent, trigger abuse, dangerous code, taint tracking, YARA signatures, MCP least privilege, MCP tool poisoning. The installation section shows the one-liner clone and the UV setup. The usage section shows the scan commands for each input type. The repo is part of the NVIDIA organization on GitHub, with cross-links to the broader Verified Agent Skills framework, skill cards, the cryptographic signing pipeline, and the public NVIDIA skill catalog at github.com/nvidia/skills. Active development, Apache 2 license, open contributions. Using SkillSpector against a skill is one workflow. Clone the repository, set up a Python virtual env with UV, run make install. That gets the SkillSpector CLI on your path. From there, point it at the skill you want to scan. A Git repository works directly. Pass the GitHub URL, SkillSpector clones it into a temp directory, runs every check, and reports results. A directory works the same way for any local checkout. A single file works for one-off skill markdown files. The default run is the static-only mode. Fast, deterministic, no external API calls. Add the semantic flag and skill. Spectre also runs an LLM check that compares the skill's declared purpose against its actual behavior. Add the SARIF flag and the output goes into the SARIF format that GitHub code scanning, GitLab security scanning, and most enterprise security platforms consume directly. Risk score, severity labels, and a non-zero exit code that fails CI when findings cross whatever threshold you have set. SkillSpector is one component in NVIDIA's broader Verified Agent Skills framework, which is the part of the story worth understanding even if you only ever use the scanner. The framework is an 8-stage publishing pipeline for agent skills: source repository, review, scan via SkillSpector, evaluate, generate a skill card with machine-readable metadata, signed cryptographically, catalog in a public registry, sync daily. Skill cards are the documentation half. Every published skill ships with a structured file that names the owner, the dependencies, the license, the limitations, and the verification status, so consumers can make trust decisions without reading every line of code themselves. The cryptographic signing produces a detached signature file that consumers can verify after download to prove the skill is exactly what NVIDIA scanned and approved. The public catalog is at github.com/nvidia/skills, with the skills themselves stored alongside their cards and signatures. SkillSpector is the part that anyone can pull out of that pipeline and run standalone against any skill from any source. The rest of the framework is opt-in. If you want to try SkillSpector, the install is git clone the NVIDIA repository, set up a Python virtual env with UV, run make install. You have the CLI on your path in under a minute. Point it at any agent skill from any source: a Git repository, a directory, a zip file, a Markdown file. The default static scan is fast enough to run as a pre-install hook on every skill your team picks up. Add the semantic flag for the LLM-powered check when you have time and credits for it. Add the SARIF flag when you want it piped into your existing security tooling. The output is human-readable in the terminal, machine-readable for automation, and standards compliant for any CI pipeline. The broader Verified Agent Skills framework, skill cards, cryptographic signing, the NVIDIA public skill catalog, is opt-in if you want to publish your own skills through the same pipeline. The repository is linked in the description. If you are using Claude Code, Cursor, or any other agentic tool that installs third-party skills, SkillSpector is the most credible scanner in the category, and it ships under Apache 2. Subscribe to AwesomeFOSS for more open source tools that actually replace the proprietary defaults